Hello everyone and happy April. In this video, I'm going to be going over my budget for April as well as my money goals. We are officially in quarter 2 of 2021 and I think April will be a pretty strong month, but I know that quarter 2 will be quite good as well. Quarter 1 was good, but I want to do even better over the next couple of months. As far as goals go, they're honestly not much different than the last few months. So the first one, I would like to put at least $1,500 to my student loan savings. If you are new here, I have just been saving for my student loans because they're at 0% interest right now and we don't have to pay them. So I just keep saving the money and then I will make a lump sum payment in the future. So for the month of April, I'm hoping to do at least $1,500, hopefully way more than that, but we will see. My second goal is to make at least $1,000 online. I would like $1,000 to hit my bank account in April. And then my third goal is just a continuing goal because I have not achieved it yet, but I would like to reach 5,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel. Again, I keep saying this in each video, but it doesn't really matter. It's just something I want to put out there. And I think I'm like 400 away at this point, so hopefully we will get there this month. And if you are not subscribed, please be sure to do so before you exit out of this video. Now I'm going to be doing things a little bit differently for this month. I'm actually going to share my spreadsheet instead of doing this in my bullet journal. I'm going to try this out, see if everybody likes it. So please comment down below if you're okay with me doing this on the spreadsheets from now and going forward. I will still share everything that I have shared in all of my previous videos, so my budget, and then at the end of the month, I still will update on my total savings, my total income, my spending, my net worth, all that stuff. I still can share it, but I figured I will try out the spreadsheet since it's a little bit easier to see everything. And honestly, I'm having a hard time squeezing everything on the camera when I'm filming. When I film my little bullet journal, I still will be recording that there. So if you prefer that, then just let me know. So I'm going to go down to the corner of the screen now and we are going to look at my April income first. So per usual, the only income that I know for sure at the beginning of the month is my full-time job income, which will be $4,937. And then at the end of the month, I'll know my business income and other income. These numbers on the side are just calculating for taxes, so ignore those. And let's go ahead and get into my budget. So this is exactly how I always have it in my bullet journal, so no difference here. And obviously these numbers on the right hand side are going to, well, the colors are going to change as I enter numbers in, but it really doesn't mean anything until later on in the month. If you want a template similar to this, I do have one available for you to use for free and I can link that down below. So let's go ahead and run through these numbers. I have everything listed out. I think this should be just about everything. We'll see. Okay, so most of these at the top are fixed per usual. So taxes, I am budgeting $1,250, and this is assuming that I'm gonna make like over $1,000 from my online business. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. It may be over, it may be under, and this is just savings. So yep, I will be paying my taxes in the month of April as well, like quarterly estimated taxes, but I don't really account for that. I have that money saved to the side and I basically just wipe out that savings. So I don't even count it like as spending or anything. Sinking funds are going up this month to $670. So previously, what do I have? Previously I was budgeting $600, and for the month of April, I am going up a little bit because I'm saving now for, I am eventually going to take the defensive driver course because it actually shows that it will lower my payment pretty significantly. But for now, $120 is good. I also stopped contributing $50 to my personal sinking fund because there's no point of that. I literally have been depleting it. I haven't been great with not shopping on personal stuff. So I just figured I would get rid of that. There's no point of it. It doesn't gain enough interest to be worth anything. Roth IRA, I will be putting $150. I actually already did that today. And my Roth IRA is all with VTSAX, so $150, donate $50. Rent and trash is $1,381 per usual. That will be going up next month a little bit, I think, hopefully not. Renter's insurance, $13.83. My Wi-Fi is with Google Fiber, and that's $55. Electricity, I always budget $70. Water and sewage, I know the month before, so that one is $34.78, which is pretty average. For groceries, I'm budgeting $300 again, going back down to $300. I think I should be good. And for food out, honestly, I'm not sure. I put $20, and hopefully I can, I'm pretty sure I'll be sticking under that. Gas for my car is $25 for my budget because I really have only been getting gas once per month, and I haven't been really driving, so should just be under $25. Student loan savings, I would like to save $1,500 or more, so at least $1,500. That's my goal. Hopefully a lot higher. Insurance, this is life insurance, so $90. I don't talk about it much because I just don't like it, so there is that. Health and beauty, I know it's gonna be over $200 because I'm purchasing my supplements, which I think isn't too bad because the last time I purchased them was back in December. So I'm just gonna put this at $300 because I'm not sure exactly how much it'll be. I did buy all my skincare that I was planning to buy, so I should be good on that, hopefully. Phone, I believe, is still at $0. We switched to Verizon a few months ago. We've had a rebate with them for several months, so basically our bill has been free. But I don't know, I'm not sure exactly when that ends or how it works, but I'm pretty sure it'll still be $0. For dogs, $50. For business, it should just be $12, no crazy expenses there. And then personal, I'm budgeting $100. We're gonna try to stay under that this month because I went over budget pretty significantly last month in both personal and health and beauty. One thing I did forget to add, gifts. I'm gonna put it at $50. My dad does have his birthday in April, so I will plan for that. I believe that is everything though, as far as purchases go, which isn't too bad because that includes $1,500 toward my student loan savings. And if you add everything up, that comes to $6,121.61. And if you exclude my debt payments or my student loan savings and just my general savings, that's actually spending $2,551.61. This negative number here is showing this is my income minus my expenses. So technically I would be going negative if I spent all this money, but this doesn't account for my online income yet or extra income. So it will be positive before the month ends. Then of course I will fill in all of my spending at the end of the month, and that will be in that video. That should be everything for April. Please comment down below if you want to share your money goals for the month of April. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.